First of all, we are a true early mover on the execution of the legislation that was enacted in 2017 as part of the Tax Reform Jobs Act. And we considered this 8-page ambiguous literature to be the most compelling wealth driver ever enacted by Treasury. It was a truly once in a lifetime opportunity to seize upon and understand the legislation as clearly as we possibly could, and then execute expertly. And that is what we've done. As suggested here on this slide, we've capitalized $1.5 billion of projects, and we're closer now to $300 million of capital gains being aggregated and invested in a variety of very, very interesting and attractive projects all across the country. Our exclusive focus not only is opportunity zones, but multifamily investing, all types of multifamily to include affordable or student, market rate, even mass timber housing, as you look across our portfolio. The actionable fund that we've curated took 2 years to identify and source the projects is now available to you to consider. And as Sly and RJ have suggested, it's fully identified. It's in fact under construction because about $70 million of capital has already been invested ahead of maybe your consideration and has taken a lot of risk off the table. We did as Sly suggested, whereby we had an investment thesis in mind. We wanted to go into selective markets. We wanted to get the highest quality projects secured. And then we wanted to attract the capital thereafter with a full disclosure of diligence and underwriting for, say, Sly to evaluate and introduce to RJ as an example. And that is what we have done. It's truly a last money in situation. But our objective today is to provide some education around the legislation, how tax efficient it truly is, and then a sneak peek into the portfolio. We call it a fund of 4 projects, simply 4 identified projects in very attractive markets that are, as I said, last money in investment opportunity.